Ayan mga idol, at meron tayong na-experience na problema dito kay Blade GT V2. So kung makikita nyo guys, iti-turn on natin. Ayan, so nagba-battery drop siya. So i-try natin siyang i-charge. So ito kung makikita nyo buhay, naka-insert dyan doon sa socket. And then ito yung ating charger insert natin. Ayan. So makita nyo, nag-red siya. Ayan. And dito. Ayan. So nagta-charging na siya. So makikita nyo guys, bumalik siya sa 67.3. So it means full charge yung battery. Pero again, ayan, kung makikita nyo, kanina red dyan, diba? So ngayon, nag-green na siya. And then ngayon guys, ay bubuhayin natin yung electric scooter. So ayan, nabuhay na natin si Tiburon. So dito guys, makikita nyo meron siyang error code na triangle dito na logo. So dito talagang halos drain na yung kanyang battery, pero pagdating dito sa voltmeter, yan, 67 volts pa siya. So dito naman sa charger is green. So pagdating naman dito sa pinakang applications niya, so pinanag ko siya sa application, i-click natin itong battery. Ayan. So dito, kung makikita nyo guys, lahat ng battery cell niya good condition. So ayan o, makikita nyo yung level niya, halos lahat pare-parehas. Ayan o, 342 MB. Ayan o. So dito guys, sa tingin ko ang may problema dito is BMS. So ayan, kung makikita nyo, halos lahat is kompleto or goods pa yung mga cell. Okay, so mostly kasi sa ganitong experience, kapag nagba-battery drop yung battery and then hindi siya maayos yung charging, so I think ang may problema is BMS or dead cell. Pero sa sitwasyon na to, nakita ko sa application na mas okay pa yung battery niya. So nandun lahat yung battery voltage, battery level, so okay pa naman. So itatry ko lang muna siyang palitan itong IVCU na to, kung baka sakali na nandito lang yung problema. If ever talaga na hindi mawala, itatry natin siya sa ibang battery. So after nating mapalitan ng IVCU na box, so ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, meron pa rin siya dito triangle logo. Pero dito sa pinaka-display niya, wala na. So I think talaga ang may problema ay BMS. So as you can see here, I already replaced with different battery. This is for a Blade 10 battery, just to check what is the issue of this electric scooter. So it's the same scenario also. There is a triangle error here, and then the battery voltage or level is not showing. So I will replace now with the new IVCU, and then let's check. After I replace the ICVU, so this is the scenario now. So as you can see, the battery level is showing now, and then here all the lights is working. So the problem is if you show that error, the triangle error here, the problem is the IVCU and then the battery, because the battery is not charging also. So the solution will be change your IVCU and then replace the BMS also. So this is the battery before. Now it's already breaks. The BMS is already replaced. So now let's install in the frame of the Blade GT2. So now let's check. So as you can see now, the battery voltage, and then let's turn on. And then, so as you can see now, the battery level and percentage is working properly, and then there are no errors shows here. So it means the scooter is fixed.